Hey everybody, I'm Glenn from IC3D, and I just wanted to do a small preface to this video to let you know that this was all done tongue-in-cheek comedy through the whole thing. The concept kind of came to be between myself and Sean from IC3D in chat, and it was funny, and we ran with it. But we want you to know that we're not directly picking on anybody in this video, and that we just don't want anybody to be upset that we might be picking on somebody in this video over somebody else in this video, and we're not. We love the guys over at IC3D, which is really why we did this. Again, just purely in good fun, and there's some good outtakes at the end. So enjoy this video. Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on this project.
Ah!
What's the matter, Xander? Did you have a nightmare?
Yes.
What was it?
I had a dream that we were using eSun, only eSun for our FK1 parts.
Well, we are.
No! My God, why? Why couldn't IC3D make Fun King 3D yellow PETG?
Yeah, IC3D. Why can't you help the kid out?
Oh my gosh.
The IC3D dream sequence. All right, calm yourself. Calm yourself. Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on it.
Come on.
Take two. All right, go to sleep, kid. He's laughing. He's laying there laughing. I can see the audio spike.
I can't. I don't.
Poor little guy tuckered himself out working on hisst.
No. No. No!
What's the matter, Xander? Did you have a nightmare?
Yes.
Take like 10, I don't know.
Take like 50.
You know, normal families probably do other fun things.
Oh my God.
All right, come on, we can do this.
Are you sure?
We can do this. Might have to have sadness for lunch just to be able to do it. Oh, why? Why? I was ready. Why did you have to laugh? To take, I don't know, 5 or whatever it is.
I can't. I honestly can't.
Yeah, you can. Come on.
No, I can't.
Should we have a slapping contest? Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. It's not funny! You're having a nightmare! Why are you laughing?
Oh my God.
Oh.
That's not funny.
All right, come on. We can do this. We can get through this. We've practiced it.
None of them were good.
Well, this whole video isn't supposed to be good. It's supposed to be funny.
We've been doing this for 5 minutes.
Okay, well, and I'm going to release every bit of this. So I'm going to release it as a whole blooper reel. It's going to be fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
poor little guy tuckered himself out. Why? Why? There. Stop.
I need a paper towel.
No, that was a chunk. Like it was.
I was holding my nose and then like so that I would try not to laugh, but it doesn't help.
He probably popped a blood vessel in his nose down there, squeezing his nose.
It doesn't help.
All right, listen. This is the first ever video that we've shot that has brought somebody to the point of bleeding. No.
That's saying a lot.
Yeah,
that is saying a lot.
Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself. It's the little guy thing that cracks me up.
Yes.
Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. Oh, you could have recovered from it. The laughing might have been part of the dream, or part of the nightmare. Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project.
Ah!
What's the matter? No, he was smiling when his head came up. As soon as I said, "What's the matter?" he started smiling. Poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. What's the matter, Xander? Did you have a nightmare? Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. What's the matter, Xander? Did you have a nightmare?
Yes.
Maybe don't look at that. This is what's the matter, son? Did you have a nightmare?
How do you not laugh when somebody like runs up to you and goes, "What's the matter? Did you have a nightmare?" Sean, this is all your fault.
You owe me.
All right.
You owe me, Sean. Big time.
Poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. What's the matter, Xander? Did you have a nightmare? Come on! That was my best one yet! I'm gonna be hoarse by the end of this. Head down. Poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. Xander, are you alright? Did you have a nightmare?
Yes.
Oh, what was it?
I had a dream that we were using.
Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. You could have recovered from that. Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project. It isn't funny. Stop laughing. Oh, poor little guy tuckered himself out working on his project.
I don't want to do this anymore.
One more time.